Yeah, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners out here in Alexandria, taking care of these commercial carpets here. As you can see, it has a high traffic lane here, so we are going to be doing some type of restoration here, see if we can get some good results. I think we can. So just stand by. Let me give you a walkthrough of what we're going to be doing. It's a small space here, nothing big. I am, however, going to steam clean the stairs though. My buddy's gonna steam clean the stairs, and I'm just gonna do low moisture over here. Shouldn't take as long. And then on top of that hallway too as well.
Looks like easy.
All right, good to go. All right, so we're done with the cleaning, and virtually it's like gone. You don't even know, you can't even see the traffic lane at all. Amazing. And per instructed by our client, he wants us to put these runners on there that we purchased to prevent it from future wear, which I think is a good idea. All the traffic lane came out over here. Looks phenomenal. We got the fans running just so it could dry a lot faster. But typically, this type of cleaning dries within a couple of hours. But since we were laying down a runner, figured we might as well put some fans down so that way we can get it dry as fast as possible. These look great. All right, once again, Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners.